Hello, today we want to share with you Fjord shader. It looks something like this. You can control amplitude, more wavy or less wavy, frequency if you want to slowly movement or faster, like this one. Wind distribution, every vertex is now moving, and or all geometry as one, like this. Also, you can control color of your and alpha cutout value to achieve such results. It is a geometry based Fjord. You can create such geometry in 3ds Max or any other 3D software. Very good idea that you can use this on mobile with some kind of load. But now we have 30,000 polygons. I think it's very good result for such looking shader. That's it. Thanks for watching. Download, subscribe.